On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a sign-up form with Aweber, how you can create a squeeze page or landing page using Aweber for email marketing. If you guys are looking to use Aweber for email marketing, I'm going to show you guys how to create a sign-up form or a squeeze page, landing page, or capture page, depends on how you call it. This is one of my email lists. I have I have 1,262 people inside this email list. I really don't use this email list too often. It's for another reason. But I usually get around 10% open rate inside my email, so I definitely know how to do email marketing and get an open rate and stuff like this, right? So let's go to the sign up form. This is where you're going to create the form. It's very simple and easy. You're going to hit this big green button, sign up form. Now inside this, right, they have lots of different templates you can choose from to create your squeeze page, right? They have automotive niche, the blog niche, you know, they have different ones. So you simply come to here, right? Pick one that you want, or what I usually do is just pick a simple one, right? I'm just going to create a basic one so I can show you guys. I'll walk you through exactly how you can do it, right? So if I wanted to choose this template to create my squeeze page with Aweber, I would just, you know, pick a template and hit load template, right? Now you can change the color right here. If you want a different background color, you can change it. If you want to erase it, you can erase it. So right here is where you will put your subject line or like your headline, right? So it depends, all based around like what your niche is and the reason why you are collecting the email. I do affiliate-based marketing and make money online. So a lot of my products and services I promote, I like to add a headline that says like usually free video, free download, you know, something in free, or maybe a secret tip that they can learn more from. So right now I promote a lot of different things using ClickBank marketing. So one of the opportunities or the products I promote is a dog training kit. So I might put something like free video reveals how you can have the best trained dog in your town, right? So I might put that as a headline. If I want to change the font, I just come make it bigger, maybe center it so it looks a lot better. I maybe center it, make it bigger. You can change the font, you can do all this stuff, but I'm just giving you guys an example. If you want to create a different one, you just have to go through it. It's very simple and easy. Then after you do that, you hit save. Okay, boom. Now you can ask a person for the name, their email, but I'll give you guys a tip. The more information you ask for, the harder it is to going to get that information from that person, right? So if you ask for the name and the email, the percentage of people that actually click through it is going to be lower. But at the same time, the more information you get from the person, the more ways you can contact them, right? So it all depends on you. If you want to just do the name, I just like to do the email itself. You can edit this stuff right here. You can edit the button, and this is where you're going to put, you know, the subject line. So maybe get instant access now. All right, boom, save field. Just really that easy. And you do that, and you just simply go to step 2. Now, all right, step 2 is the most important thing, right? So where are you going to send them after they enter in your email, right? Where are you going to send them after they enter in your email? So you go to step 3. Bum, 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 bum. So mine looks like this, in which I created this one, right? So boom. As soon as the person, this is my headline, they got to enter in the email right here. They're going to hit edit. I'm going to save field. Then you're going to hit step 2. Now, after that person puts in the email, they're going to go to my bridge page, right? But sorry about that. In general, this is where after they enter in the email, you have to put your link right here. So maybe if you're promoting if you're sending them to a blog site, your Facebook or YouTube channel, an affiliate offer, this is where you will put the link right there. So that would mean after they enter in your email, they're going to go to this link. This is the most important thing in which you have to do, right? So you're going to hit step 2. You're going to hit save form. And then you're going to go down here where it says have Aweber host your form. And this is the copy and paste form. So you will copy and paste this. And maybe if you had a GoDaddy domain name or a Namecheap or whatever domain name you can use, you can just take this, copy this subdomain, I guess you would say, take it, copy and paste it inside of your domain name. Or if you don't have one and maybe you just use Bitly, you can come over to bitly.com. Boom, shorten the link for Bitly. And then this is exactly what it's going to look like. Want to see it? So boom, this is the sign up form which I created what, in under 10 minutes. I went to Aweber, I hit sign up form, I hit create a sign up form, I pick a template in which I want to use. So if I want to use this template, I hit load template, right? I put my own, subject line, headline right here. I told the person I just want the email, so I checked off email. I changed the button to different wordings, as you can see right here. I added my own word. I hit submit. I go to step 2, and you want to go down to custom page. Go down to custom page, and this is where you're going to send them after they enter in the email. So the person's going to enter in the email. I'm going to walk you guys step by step how to do this. Enter the email, boom. Right? They go to my bridge page where I talk a little bit about my information, right? So you're going to hit go to step 3. You're going to hit save form. You're going to hit, you're going to hit this button. You're going to copy and paste this, and you're going to add this to your domain name, or maybe use Bitly or a link shortener. And this is simply how you are going to see. Look at that. I just entered my email and I got 1 subscriber. That was just me entering my email. So this works, right? If you guys want to learn how to use Aweber and sign up forms, it's just that simple, right? This is definitely an easy and simple way to build your email list using Aweber, because all you got to do is create the sign up form, create the sign up form, your headline right here, ask the person for the email, give them a call to action or direct them. They're going to hit that button, then they're going to go to your second page. After that, you just got 1 email subscriber, and you give them more information by collecting the email, so you can use email marketing and remind these people day in and day out why they should maybe buy your product or services or learn more information from you. So this is how to use Aweber to create a sign up form, and it's just simple as that, right? Hit sign up form, hit create a sign up form, create it right here, pick a template. All you gotta do is pick the template, load the template again, put your headline, whether you want the name of the email, change this up so it adds something, then simply just go to step 2, go to custom page, add your website or your link and where you want to send them to, go to step 3, and just have, that's pretty much about it. So I hope you guys like this video on how to create a sign up form with Aweber. I kind of went kind of fast, but it's not too hard. All you gotta do is just watch the video maybe 1 or 2 times, create the sign up form doing Aweber, and go out there and start to collect emails and make money with email marketing. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you add me on Facebook below, or go check out my website below. It's going to show you how I make money every single day with affiliate marketing and ClickBank. Catch you guys later. Peace.